vibrates, a distant pulse in the vast night. Shadows stretch, holding their breath as something awakens. A shared whisper on the edge of a new beginning. The first beat blossoms a ripple through the expectant air. Faint glimmers of light begin to paint the darkness, hinting at a form. A quiet yearning takes hold, drawing every soul closer. The rhythm quickens its heartbeat, a rush of blood to the surface. Colors swirl faster, a rising tide of sound and sensation. Hearts synchronize, caught in the accelerating pull of the vortex. A kaleidoscope erupts, pure energy, shattering the night. Bodies move as one, lost in the rhythm's relentless embrace. Ecstasy takes flight, a moment suspended in vibrant, joyous chaos. The bass drops like a meteor, a seismic wave through the floor. Every nerve ending ignited, a primal scream of pure, unadulterated joy. Time distorts an eternal loop in the strobes. Frantic, breathless dance, 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 deeper into the sonic landscape. The journey continues its hypnotic sway. Sweat glistens, a tapestry of human connection, illuminated by the strobes. New patterns emerge in the flashing lights. A wordless story unfolding within the beat. A final, overwhelming surge, the universe vibrating in unison. Every soul united, soaring on waves of pure, unbridled sound. An unforgettable climax, etched into the very fabric of the fading night. The rhythm slowly recedes, echoes lingering in the charged air. A lingering warmth, a vibrant dream, reluctantly fading into dawn. The memory shimmers, a promise held close until the next awakening.